Osteoarthritis means wear and tear of the joint. So actually when it wears down completely, well, I'm going to show you a model in which various stages of osteoarthritis are shown. You can see that the thigh bone as well as the leg bone have got a smooth lining that is called as cartilage. In the initial phases, this cartilage starts becoming soft, then it starts becoming actually worn off in patches, and then it wears down completely, and so the raw surfaces of bone, they start rubbing on each other. At this stage, the knee replacement is advised. Now, it is very simple to understand that if we skip at this stage, what is going to get damaged is these bones. So as we go on postponing the surgery, when it is indicated at the fourth stage, then actually our internal damage to the joint is going to go on increasing. Disabling knee pain is a major health problem for our senior citizens. The main reason of this disabling pain is osteoarthritis, and that means the wear and tear of the knee joint. Since last 2 decades, we have been doing loads of knee replacement surgeries, which has been an outstanding treatment for our knee osteoarthritis patients. But now we see a lot of change in the profile of patients. Earlier, patients just wanted to have a pain-free life. But now we are getting more and more younger patients who have got terminal osteoarthritis, due to the sedentary lifestyle and obesity and various other injuries also during sports. So what is the remedy for these people? Also, there are many senior citizens who are actually at the latter half of their life, and they would like to have something less invasive than the total knee replacement. So considering all this need, Lokmanya Hospital, we launched a robotic knee replacement system, which is one of the first systems in the Asia Pacific region, and I'm very happy to tell that it is first system in our country, in India. Now, what is the robotic surgery? Actually, a robotic surgery is it is a very reliable assistant which we will get in the operation theatre. This is a robotic arm which is helping the surgeon to get the implants absolutely accurately in an osteoarthritic patient. We don't have to change the entire cartilage, we can just repair and change the diseased cartilage, that is only one compartment of the knee. And so there is less bleeding, there are less cuts, there is immediate mobilization. It can be a sort of daycare surgery. That means you don't require huge physiotherapy, lot of painkillers, and patient can actually start walking the same day of the surgery. So it's really amazing for the patients who are indicated patients, as we call that, patients with one compartment arthritis. They do really well with this robotic technology.